not expect. This is by far the best effort for 9 years. Thank you so much.
You say there's so much you don't know. You need to go and find yourself. You say you'd rather be alone, 'cause you think you won't find it tied to someone else. Who said it's true that the growing only happens on your own? They don't know me and you. I don't think you have to leave. If to change is what you need, you can change right next to me.
Happy Monday everyone! Samahan niyo po kami sa Pasay City upang maghatid ng sorpresa at saya para sa mansari ni Sir Gabriel. Ito po ay nanggaling sa kanyang mapagmahal na partner na si Sir Francis all the way from Bicol. Malayo man sila sa isa't isa, hindi hadlang ang distansya upang maiparamdam ni Sir Francis ang kanyang taos-pusong pagmamahal kay Sir Gabriel. At tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang paghatid ng sorpresa at saya sa tulong ng Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery.
Si Sir Gabriel po ay makakatanggap ng flower bouquet, balloon on stick, mansari cake, and mansari card. Sa iyo po, Sir Gabriel and Sir Francis, in behalf of Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery, binabati po namin kayo ng happy Mansari. Congratulations on your another months of love. Wishing you a day filled with amazing memories. Stay together forever and more Mansaris to come. Tara, samahan niyo po kami.
When you're high, I'll take the lows. You can ebb and I can flow, and we'll take it slow and grow as we go. Grow as we go. You won't be the only one. I am unfinished, I've got so much left to learn. I don't know how this river.
Good afternoon, Sir Gabriel. Sir, meron tayong pinipili sa inyo. Nakabox po siya. May babayaran mo kayong 30,000. Okay lang po ba sa inyo? Meron pa ba kayong order? Wala po ba? Ay, kasama niyo po? Ay, pwede niyo samahan sir para makita yung na-deliver sa kanya. Sir, dito po, samahan niyo lang po kami sir. Ay, sabi mo, sir!
Sabi ko na, kinamahan na ako.
Ngayon sir, kamusta po? May idea po ba kayo? Kasi ganun galing ito. Okay po. Saan po ba siya ngayon? Sige po sir. At dahil mansari niyo po sir, syempre meron po kayo mansari cake. Happy mansari po. Po, may nakalagay, I love you Uber. Happy mansari po. May paket si sir. Ayun. At dahil mansari niyo po sir, syempre meron po kayo flower bouquet. Happy mansari po.
Is the princess ako for today's video?
At syempre sir, hindi lang yan nag-iisang bouquet. Mayroon pa po isa. Dalawa po yan sir. Ito po sir. Tanggapin niyo po ang isang flower bouquet. Happy mansari po. At dahil mansari niyo po sir, syempre meron din po kayong gift. Galing po sa ating sender. Yan po.
Ano to?
Kaya mo na lang daw sir buksan para surprise talaga. At dahil mansari niyo sir, syempre hindi pa rin dyan natatapos. May kasama mo ito. Mansari niyo. Ito po sir, pero bago ko po sir basahin, magpakilala po muna kami. Kami nga po pala ang Metro Manila Gift Shop and
Thank you.
Sir Gabriel, nandito po kami. O bang gawing extra special ang inyong mansari. Happy mansari po. My dearest Superman, it's been 5 months since we started this journey, and I am very grateful that we're still together here. I know that our relationship is not perfect, but I'm sure it's full of love and understanding. I love you so much. Best years ahead, Infinity Sign from Superman. Happy Mansari! Sir, kamusay lang po kita. Na-surprise po ba?
Yeah, I did not expect. Thank you.
Sige po, ano po masasabi mo po sa sender natin?
This is by far the best effort for 9 years. Thank you so much. Yun lang.
Sa friend po, mayroon po ba kayong message sa Mansari?
Well, I've been with them for the past years, and I've seen their struggles, hardships, and everything. And I'm full support in everything that they're actually doing right now. Sakti talaga kung ano gano'n sila ka-strong.
Yeah!
There are fights, but they're always fixing it.
Yeah! Very strong relationship po, sir. Galing din yun sa iyong best friend also. Yan po, sir. Happy Mansari po! Sige po, kung wala na pong magbigay message, kahit kami pong mga staff, gusto din po namin magbigay message, sir. Kayo po, Sir Gabriel, Mr. Francis. Happy Mansari. Stay together forever. Long-lasting relationship.
Thank you.
Happy Mansari po. Thank you so much, sir.
Ito ka mo ako anak ka, gurat.
And lastly po sa aming sender kay Sir Francis, in behalf of Metro Manila, Gift Shop and Delivery, lubos po kami nagpapasalamat kasi kami po yung napili upang may Mansari surprise kay Sir Gabriel. Ipagpatuloy lang po po sa isa't isa. Lagi po kayong mag-ingat. God bless. Sa iyo po ulit, sir. Happy Mansari. Have a nice day, sir.
runs. But I'd like the company through every twist and turn. Ooh, say it's true that the growing only happens on your own. They don't know me and you. You don't ever have to leave if to change is what you need. You can change right next to me. When you're high, I'll take the lows. You can ebb and I can flow, and we'll take it slow and grow as we go. Grow as we go. Grow as we go. Grow as we go.